Hi, my name is Vern, and I'm a former IRS revenue officer. So as a revenue officer, it was my job to collect unpaid taxes up to $25 million and unfiled tax returns as many years back as the IRS decided it wanted to collect them. And so I've received over 1,800 hours of formal classroom training from the IRS. I worked there for almost 10 years. And so basically my job, I would get a client in my inventory, a taxpayer. I would show up at your home or place of business and explain to you, hey, Mr. Jones, Mrs. Smith, you owe X amount of hundreds of thousands of dollars or tens of thousands of dollars. Can you pay it today? If you couldn't, then it was my job to look into all of your assets, whether they were bank accounts, retirement accounts, life insurance policies with a cash value, investments, vehicles, anything that we could get our hands on to get that balance paid. And sometimes people were cooperative and sometimes they weren't. But I can tell you, if a revenue officer shows up at your home or place of business, or you're contacted by the IRS, take it seriously. Whether you contact me or your tax professional or find someone else, do not ignore the IRS. They're not going to go away. They're going to get their money eventually. How you deal with the IRS is going to greatly determine how flexible they are in working with you. So I've been in private practice since 2013. And since then, what I do is I research courthouse records across the country. And so you may have received one of my letters in the mail a few days ago, hopefully today, if you've read the letter today and you decided to come to our website to read this introductory message. So I found tax liens. Now, I don't always include a tax lien in the letter, but lots of times I will go ahead and send you a copy of the letter as well. These tax liens are public information. Anybody can access it online or go down to the county courthouse. They don't need special permission. They don't need a warrant. They can just go and say, I'd like to see all the federal tax liens. So it is public information. Now, it's my job to try to help you, and that's what I want to do. I've also included one of my business cards in the letter. Please reach out to me and give me a call. We do free consultations here at TaxCorp, so it costs you nothing. It costs you nothing to get my free 15, 20-minute evaluation. But please remember, if you don't do anything else, do not ignore the IRS. They're not going to go away. This federal tax lien that they filed is putting the public on notice that you owe the government some money. And any real estate company, mortgage company, it's going to the credit bureaus. Everyone who has an interest in you financially is going to see this information. I can even get this taken out of the public record if you give me enough time and opportunity, but do not ignore this message. So I thank you for your time. Thank you for visiting the website to see this message, and I hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day.